Alright, so the original panhard rod mounts on the back side of the axle here and goes up to the body up on that side. I'm not going to do that for a couple reasons. One is the bracketry that was spot welded to the body up here was really big and heavy, and I wanted to lose that. The other reason is this design makes it so the axle moves side to side as the suspension works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the panhard rod and connect it from right here over to the connecting point for the trailing arm, which is this point here but on the other side. So it's going to go diagonally across here, which will go right through the fuel tank location. So I've got this new fuel cell that hopefully that panhard rod will clear. And if I put it up here where it's going to go, I really want it over here, but for testing purposes it's going to fit better right here. And what I find is that it doesn't clear. The idea of putting a panhard rod from here to over there is going to go right through the corner of this fuel cell. So this fuel cell is probably going to have to get modified. It's probably going to have to get cut down a couple inches here and re-welded together, unless I can think of another idea. That's going to be hard though, right?
Guess it has to be taken off from.
How much room is there to do the angle thing? Yeah, there's none. This is supposed to be 4.
4 gallons.
Doesn't look like 4, but that's what it's supposed to be. I'm figuring if we cut it down, it's going to be probably between 2 and 3. I can look for a different fuel cell.
Yeah. Well, you don't take videos of me.
Fast forward a bit. That prefab fuel cell wasn't going to fit as good as I had hoped, so kind of wasted some money there. But my buddy Nick went above and beyond and designed up and fabricated up a fuel cell that will fit. Will still fill from the stock location and clears everything I need it to clear. So let's try fitting that thing. So here's the custom fuel cell. Measures out to hold about 3.5 gallons. So that's good. It's got my feed and return fittings over there on the other side. Take a look over there. There they are. And I just need to drill some holes for these front mounting tabs. Alright, so this is supposed to bolt up here. There we go. Then I got a nut to put on here. Yeah, it's starting to spit rain a bit out there, so I had to close the garage door and flip on a light in here. I just want to see if this thing sits level. It's pretty close, just the way it is there. It needs to come up slightly to be perfectly level. Of course, I don't even know if my floor's level, but I just want it to be close. So I'm gonna have to bend these brackets to get this thing to sit level and have these bolt up where they're supposed to up front. A little work with my trusty channel locks and things are starting to look up. I'm gonna use a riv nut, which looks like this, to secure the strap up right here. I already got my drill bit picked out. Time to go at it. Alright, we're gonna stick this riv nut in here. There's that. Test this bolt I scrounged up real fast. That looks good, so time to move over and install the other riv nut. Throw these nuts up on the back side. And that thing is is feeling nice and sturdy. And we'll see if we're relatively level here. Yep, not looking too bad there. Tiny bit off, but pretty good. Moving on. So I was thinking about putting some like foam rubber above the fuel cell, between the body and the fuel cell, but it's spaced quite a ways down there. I'm not sure that's a great idea. It feels real sturdy the way it is. I think I'm gonna go with it. I'll just check it once in a while and make sure that all these mounting points are good and secure. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.
Put cheese on it.